to Techno Fiction. The next unit in Reports and Dashboards module is Extend Your Reporting Strategy with AppExchange. So, in this module, you will install a package and also you will learn to modify the reports and dashboards from the package. So, let us see our challenge given. And the hands-on challenge given here is to modify an AppExchange dashboard. So for that we have to install a package and next we have to modify a dashboard. So copy this package ID and launch your playground. Click this install a package. So in package ID paste the copied one and click install. Click install for all users. And click install. Installing process takes some time. The installation has been finished. Click done. So go to your playground and in that click the app launcher and search for dashboard. Now we have to make a copy of the one account contact and opportunity data quality dashboard and name it my account and contact dashboard. So we have to make a copy of the dashboard. So click all dashboards. You can see this dashboard here. Click this icon and click edit. Click again edit and you can see the save button here. In that click save as to make a copy of this dashboard and paste the name. Select any folder and click create. Now the dashboard is created. Now click edit and click the filter In that, we have to add a dashboard filter on the billing city field so that the dashboard only shows info about accounts in San Francisco. So click billing city and click add filter value, and in value add San Francisco. Click apply and click add. Now click save and click done, and click this refresh button. We have completed. Let's check it. We have completed this module. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.